solve the system of inequalities by graphing. So we're going to graph the inequalities and see where they line up. We have x minus 2y greater than negative 6 and y less than 3x. So step 1 would be to graph the first inequality. So we're going to take x minus 2y greater than negative 6. It is dashed because it is strictly greater than. We only shade in below the line to indicate where the solutions are. Now, let me show you. X minus 2y greater than negative 6. We want to get this into y equals mx plus b for graphing reasons. And it won't be an equal sign. It'll be whichever inequality symbol we're using. So we're going to subtract the x from both sides because we want to get the y by itself. So we've got negative 2y greater than negative x minus 6. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 2. And remember, when we divide or multiply by a negative number, we have to change our inequality symbol. So this is going to become y less than, right? Y less than. And negative x divided by negative 2, that's the same as having a positive 1/2 x. And negative 6 divided by negative 2 is the same as a positive 3. So we see that we're crossing at the 3, and we're going up 1 over 2. Okay, it's a dashed line because it's strictly less than or strictly greater than. Both of those use a dashed line. And because it's less than, we only shade below. The next step is to graph the other inequality. So when we graph that inequality here, it is y less than 3x. And it's a dashed line again because it's strictly less than. It's crossing at 0 because there is nothing written specifically for the y-intercept. It doesn't have a plus something, so it's crossing at 0. It's going up 3 over 1, and it is shaded over here. You can see that light blue. That's what's covering this part over here, making it green. So that means that our solution set is everything in that green area where both of the shades are crossing each other. So our solution set is this entire green area. Anything in this area will make the system true. A common error is to include everything in both shaded areas, not just the overlap, right? We only want the overlap. And then I have a little video for you. I'm going to close the window with my face in it and play the video. This is about doing inequalities on a TI-84, which is the graphing calculators we have in the classroom.
To graph the system of inequalities on the TI-84, download the inequality graphing feature. Press Apps and select the Inequalities feature. Select the inequality symbol for the first inequality by highlighting Y1 and pressing Enter. Next to Y, use the left and right arrows to select the inequality symbol. Second inequality. Highlight Y2 and press Enter. Use the left and right arrows to select the inequality symbol. Enter the second inequality and graph in the standard view window. The value of each inequality will be dashed or solid depending on the inequality symbol used. The area where the two standing ranges overlap is the solution to the system of inequalities.
And as another little side note, the Desmos calculator that is on the common resources part of the Canvas page, you should also be able to do inequalities on that as well, if you do not have a TI-84 graphing calculator available to you at home.